Hello, myself Suchetana Ghosh.
Hi,
I have
myself
completed my 3-month
Drishalvani. I
internship from
have
Unified
completed my
Mentors. This
internship with
internship
Unified
provided me
Mentor as
hands-on
a full
experience
stack
on
web
data
development intern.
visualization,
It was a great learning
exploratory data
experience.
analysis,
I got to work on the
analytical
projects like
tools,
weather
and
app,
many
which uses
course
API
videos which
integration, or student teacher booking
range
appointments,
from
which also
basics
uses
to
Firebase and Cloud
advanced.
Firestore.
Uh,
I had
and
such a
it
great
was
time
a
working on
great
this project,
experience
which
to have all in
makes
one in
my
an
knowledge
internship
or
from
my
Unified
theoretical knowledge
Mentors.
worked into the
And overall,
practical
this
ones.
internship enhanced
It
my
improved
technical
my
skills,
skills in HTML,
my
CSS,
knowledge, and
JavaScript,
confidence to
and
work on data
also
driven
I
projects.
happened to learn new
I
skills
sincerely
like React,
appreciate the
Node,
learning
and
environment
Firebase
and
as
the
well.
opportunity provided by the team.
I had
Thank
such a
you.
great time. Overall, the
Hello, myself
mentors
Suchetana
in
Ghosh.
Unified
I have
Mentor are
completed
so
my 3-month
supportive. Any
internship from
doubts can be
Unified
solved if I
Mentors.
message them or
This
call them
internship
in any
provided
time,
me hands-on
which was a
experience on
great thing
data
which makes every
visualization,
task easier.
exploratory data
Thank you,
analysis,
Unified Mentor, for
analytical
giving me this
tools,
opportunity, and I'll
and
recommend
many
to all
course
the
videos
students to
which
gain the work
range
experience and
from
the real life
basics
experience
to
through this.
advanced.
Thank you.